Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Halloween makeup tutorial. First off, we're going to start with foundation, and we're just going to do the usual foundation and concealer. So I went off camera and put some black eyeshadow, and now I'm putting some red eyeshadow on the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to put it on both sides of my nose. Then I'm going to go in with some black shadow, and I'm going to put it right on top of the red shadow that I just applied, just to make it look a little more realistic. And do the same on my forehead. So I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner. I'm just going to draw a line along my jawline. It's best to use a black one, but then I couldn't find my black liner, so I used a dark brown one. It looks a little bit faint, but trust me, it's going to come out great. So you just spread that out with a little brush. I wasn't satisfied with the length of the jawlines, so I had to go in and extend them. So now I'm drawing the nose, and again I'm going to use the brown eyeliner because I don't have a black one. So if you have a black one, it's best to use a black one, but if you like how it looks in brown, that's fine. I needed to look a little darker, so I went in with a black eyeshadow and just patted some of it on my nose using a brush. So here I'm using a small brush because I need the top part to be kind of clean. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it needs to have sharp looking edges. So we're going back in with the black shadow and just putting it at the top of the jawline to just make it look a little more darker, because if it's darker it makes it look more defined.
What we do here is go back.
So now I'm going to apply some foundation on my lips and also put some powder on top of it. So now we draw the teeth. We start with a line just right outside the mouth. On the side of the mouth, just draw a long straight line. Doesn't have to be really long, but yeah. So now we're drawing the teeth, and for that just draw small lines at the top and at the bottom of the long line that you drew. So now we're going in with a whiter shade, just to make the skull look a little more whiter. You can use any shade that's really lighter than your shade. I think that would work, just to make your skin look a little whiter and grayish. Okay guys, this is the final look. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.